Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Gear Unboxed. Today we're unboxing and reviewing a smartphone that's creating waves in the tech world, the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Is this Google's best offering yet? Let's dive right in. First things first, the Pixel 8 Pro looks absolutely stunning. With its matte glass finish in this striking sky blue color and the iconic horizontal camera bar, it's a design masterpiece. Google didn't just make a phone, they made a statement. The 6.7-inch flat OLED display with ultra-thin bezels is a dream for content lovers, and paired with the solid aluminum frame, it feels as premium as it looks. Display technology. Now, let's talk about the display. It's an LTPO OLED with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This means buttery smooth scrolling and stunning visuals, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just browsing. And the brightness? It peaks at 2400 nits. Even in direct sunlight, this screen shines. Camera performance. Moving on to what Pixels are famous for. Cameras! The Pixel 8 Pro has a triple camera setup. A 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP telephoto lens. The result? Stunning. Photos are sharp, colors are natural, and low light performance is just wow. And the AI magic continues. Google's new Magic Editor lets you tweak photos like never before, remove unwanted objects, adjust lighting, or even reposition subjects. It's like Photoshop, but built into your phone. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Pixel 8 Pro is powered by Google's latest Tensor G3 chip, coupled with up to 12 GB of RAM. Performance is snappy, apps open in a flash, and gaming, smooth as silk. Plus, with Android 14 out of the box, you get the cleanest and most personalized Android experience. And you can finally upgrade. Everything works perfectly. It's just up to you, you know? Features like call screen, live translate, and the all-new AI voice typing make it a productivity powerhouse. Pricing details. Now let's talk about pricing. This is where the Pixel 8 Pro brings premium features at a competitive rate. It starts at $999 for the 128 GB variant, and the top-end 512 GB model is priced at $1,299. So, to compare, the iPhone 15 Pro starts at $1,199, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at $1,199 as well. For $999, the Pixel 8 Pro offers flagship-grade cameras, a stunning display, and 7 years of software support, all at a slightly lower price point. That's some serious value for money. And don't forget to look out for seasonal discounts or trade-in offers on Google's official store, or major retailers to bring down the cost further. Battery life and charging. And what's power without endurance? The 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. Plus, with 30W wired charging and 23W wireless charging, you're back up and running in no time. So is the Google Pixel 8 Pro worth it? Absolutely. With its stunning design, brilliant cameras, and Google's AI magic, this phone is easily one of 2025's top contenders. Starting at $999, it's a premium device, but for those who love cutting-edge tech, it's worth every penny. That's it for today's episode on Future Gear Unboxed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep unboxing, no matter what happens.